To connect USB drive into the Xiaomi TV from the A series, in this case 32 inches, first of all you have to just go into the back of your TV, and as you can see here we can find the USB port. So what do you have to do? We have to just plug in that USB drive into this port. So it's actually quite simple. You just have to plug it in like so. And now when you take a look on the front of our TV, we have to wait for a few moments until we will receive that notification. And as you can see, in this case, I can, for example, check if I have some videos on this. There we go. And yes, I can actually find something. So now if I want to try to play this, let's select something and let's see if it is gonna work. I have to accept those permissions. And yeah, as you can see, it is working. So you can do this like so. I hope you find it useful.